Yes, hi, good day. My name is Jane. So today I am just going to share to you my method. This is what I am using whenever I am documenting or notating anything that I find helpful online, either video or training courses, webinar. So I am using what we call Cornell method. So ito siya. I don't really have more information about the one who created this, but I believe that this structure organizes our brain, especially if we are listening. With how the world right now, sometimes madaling nakukuha yung attention natin. So, following just something na naka-organize na, it will help us more focus on learning. So, here on the details, dito mo ilalagay yung parang notation mo. So, I put here, this is the right side, so that's the details. This is the main space where you write your lecture notes, ideas, explanations, or details from the video, or from what you're listening. You can, for me, I'm using bullet points, sometimes abbreviations to make it easier to notate para mas ma-follow ko yung speaker. And whatever helps you capture the essence of what the speaker is trying to articulate or to teach. Just dump everything there. And yeah, so ito siya yung parang, this is the raw na notations mo. So here on the key points, which is the left side, this is where you write your highlights, key highlights from the video, questions that you may have, references, and you don't really have to do it all at the same time. You can do it after the training or after the video. Pang refresh lang para mas mag-retain yung memory. And then here sa baba, this is what we call the summary. It would be best to write down your own words. I know we can use AI nowadays, pero mas nagre-retain kasi sa isip natin if we are using our own words. Just disregard the grammar, structure, and anything. Ang importante, ang aim nito is para mas mag-retain yung memory sa na-learn mo. Kasi diba, we have this tendency that we easily forget what we have learned kahit na a few days ago pa lang siya. So doing this can retain what you have learned. Sayang naman. So yeah, this you can do this right after the training, and then you can do this perhaps after a few hours, or you can do both afterwards. So yeah, may ano din ito siya, explanation when it comes to cognitive science. So it organizes information clearly. Kasi ang isip natin or ang brain natin, ayaw niya ng messy. So mas napapalo niya kapag marunong tayong mag-organize. So ito, you have to think of cues and summaries, not just copy. And then, yun, when you review later, you can cover the right side and quiz yourself using the cues. So I don't really have an example right now. But I will provide one. Hahanapin ko pa. Nasa ano kasi siya nakasave sa storage. But I'll provide one. All right, that's it. Thank you.